Hello everyone, and how are you? I think all of you are good. So now we are back to continue our video. So let's start. All of you see the hot shape, and the hot shape is formed through code line. So let's start how to write write the code. Okay. So first of all, open a Visual Studio Code and create a file hot.py. Okay. So in next step, type import math. Okay. So the math is for import sine or cos value. Okay. Then in next line from total import asterisk. Okay. Total is the used for drawing graphics. Okay. So in next line define depth. So define hot a k, and in semicolon then next line return 15 into math dot sin k, and double asterisk 3, and the double asterisk 3 means sin to the power 3. Okay. So sin cube k it means, and in next line define hot b k. Okay. So in next return 12 into math.cos k minus 5 cos 2k minus 2 cos 3k minus cos 4k. Okay. So these two functions define parametric equations of a hot curve. Okay. In next speed 0. Okay. So set total to maximum drawing speed. Okay. So fastest, it takes fastest. And now in next line bg color equal to black, so max background black. Okay. And in next line drawing the heart, so for I in range 600. Okay. And in next line go to hot a I into 20 and hot b I into 20. Okay. So in first line the loops run 600 times, moving the total along points that form a hot shape. Okay. And in next go to means x comma y value. Okay. So x value hot a and y value hot b. Okay. And in next line for j in range 1, so color equal to red, so set drawing color to red. And in next dot means draws a small circle at the current position. Okay. Making the hot appear solid. So basically the total moves point by point in the pattern of a hot. Okay. And in next for returning home and finishing, so go to 0 comma 0, so it brings the total back to the screen center. And in last line done means it tells total that drawing is complete and keeps the window open. Okay. And here you can see final output of glowing red heart on a black background created by plotting 600 small red dots along a parametric curve. Okay. So thank you guys and enjoy the video.